my god! Is that a sponsor?
No, just try again, try again. Try
again, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice and warm in here. Josh is fucking jumping the car because we never have battery in here because it's a TT. And yeah, get to sit inside while he does the hard work. Makes a change actually, because normally it's me doing the hard work and he just sits there and fucking videos, so. Right, we're on. Active.
What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. And if some of you Eagle Eye viewers will know, we're actually in Matti's car. Matti is currently... Matti, say hello to the boys.
We've got £1.58 momentum. Very cheap, very nice.
Great success.
This is going to be a bit more of a vloggy type video, which is kind of good because we've not done one of these in quite a while. We've just sort of been catching you guys up. So now we are really sort of getting into the content, and today we've got something really cool planned. We're actually going to a massive meet at Caffeine Machine. Wow. Peace. Mate, turn around. Let me see that jumper. God damn, that's sexy. We are going to go and get the car clean right now. That's the video you're seeing now, and this is going to be, I think, posted after the car meet. So if you want to go see the car meet, go watch the last video. Damn. Elegant.
Oh fuck, I got my wallet in, I'm too fat to get in. Fucking bucket seat TT.
So yeah guys, we are on the way to go and get our car cleaned at somebody potentially we're going to be working in the future. Like I mentioned before, this is sort of like a vlog type of video. It's the prep, I guess you could say, before the show, the driving there and stuff like that. I might put a few clips in of the actual. This seat is loose. Like when you brake, the whole seat like goes forward.
Yeah, I know.
So the seat's not tight?
No, 2 bolts.
Oh.
Ah, look, he's going the other way, don't want it.
Yeah, I don't want it.
He can hear the turbo.
Yeah, he can hear it. He can hear that. Yeah, this seat is so loose.
Shut up, it's
sorry.
fine, bro.
He wants it. See you later, kid. Get right down. Oh, that's sexy. Kurwa. When I said that's swearing in Polish.
Yeah, but they don't know.
What they don't know can't hurt them. Oh, that noise, beautiful.
It's a race car. Here's my car. You pan to the car when I say here's my car.
One second.
Are you zooming in?
No. I'm not zooming in.
This is the fucking car, not me.
I am.
Matty's POV. Come on. Look at that. Race car. True spec. Fast.
Right. See if I've got everything in frame. Just come take a look. Is that alright?
Oh shit.
That's looking good.
4 rings. Impressive.
There you go. That's...
Don't get too close to the paint though.
What monster's that? Shout out. Sponsors.
Ultra Gold. It's a lovely pineapple.
Give us a taste test. Wait, no, read. What about so?
Right, so we've got.
Yep.
We've got carbonated water, flavour enhancer.
Yep.
Erythritol.
Yep, I know that one.
Citric acid.
Yep.
Taurine. That's bull sperm, isn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it actually?
Flavourings, acidity regulator.
You just spit that.
You're not going to believe this. It's got Panax ginseng root extract.
Oh yeah, I have that every morning.
Preservations.
No, do you mean preservatives?
Preservations.
Okay.
Sweeteners.
Right, I need to show everyone around because I've not been filming.
Hi guys, this is the race car.
So this is Ryan. Everybody meet Ryan.
Hi guys.
Ryan's actually going to be working on my TT next, which is going to be an upcoming video because, as you saw in the last video, it was a complete state. So, what? Yeah, I mean, what's the word? It's like net zero carbon now.
Has Ryan seen the garden?
No, Ryan's not seen it. So Ryan actually doesn't know how bad it is because he's not seen the video yet. However,
he's already quoted it 30 quid all over. Yeah, full shebang.
I'm going to leave Ryan's details in the description. So if you guys want your car detailed and you're close to which area is this?
Fucking the best area in the Measham.
Measham. If you're close to the Measham area, yeah, I'll leave all the links and stuff like that and the address in the description. But he's just cleaned this now, ready for us to go to caffeine machine. It does look a lot better, doesn't it, Matty, when it's actually clean? Don't look in there though, it's disgusting in there. And remember, if you guys wanna yeah. So if you've seen the last video, you know you take your piece of paint, eat it, tastes really good. So if you want a nice Mother's Day present, just take a piece of paint, give it to your mum. But yeah, put it in the car, she'd love it.
The famous race car. Did you know like Matt Armstrong's video where he's like selling pieces of the GT3 from Adam LZ? So if you order...
Oh, is he actually doing that?
Yeah, so he shipped a bit over and he cut it up and then...
Oh yeah, he did, didn't he?
Yeah, so that's like us, but like we don't actually ship it out to anyone because no one orders with us, so... we just have to,
wait a minute.
It's self-serve.
Where'd you get that jumper from?
This one?
Yeah.
From the link in the description next week.
As well, while we are here, I also want to show you this. So this is something that Ryan is working on. Well, not this particularly because there's nothing left in here, but he has this Colt, Mitsubishi Colt, I believe it's called. Yeah, the engine decided to go kaput, and he took the engine out, and the engine is here. So I think it's already fully built it, or he's fully building it. But look, ooh, this is the level that I want to go to. I want to fully strip my engine, take it out, and just make it look beautiful, and then obviously put it back in. But that's for later. That's different content. And here is his gearbox. Looking very shiny, very nice, and a cup of tea on top of it as well, because we're British and that. This will be cool once it's done as well to get on the channel. He's got like a Mitsubishi Evo big brake kit as well to go on it. Car's like fully stripped out. That's a cover, that's not a window. And also you got a front splitter in there as well.
I think you climbed it.
Damn. Soon to be on the channel. Oh, you took the... Oh, let's have a better look. Oh. See, this is the level that I really want to go to. Just ripping the rocker cover off and everything. Full anodized fuel rail as well. Ooh. God damn.
Oh my god, it's actually going. Is that a chance? It's not the best.
This is a level that Ryan goes to.
That's fucking unreal.
Wow.
That can blow on it. Oh! It's gone!
Ryan, before you start, can you tell us about what you're about to do?
Shiny leather, it's dirty leather. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a scrubber dubber from the good old Andy CYR. I'm going to use a bit of product. I'm going to go around it. So, put a bit
Just
of
like
product on there, like so. Just a gentle rub.
But this is going to be grim, innit? Oh, it's not too bad. Matty's not been picking his nose and wiping it on the steering wheel too much.
Too much.
His previous owner.
Previous owner. Right, let's give it a little.
Look at that, like, where it's drying.
Cloth.
Nice.
You know what? I'm so excited for when you do the my steering wheel, because it's all Alcantara as well, and I know that you have to use like.
Yeah, I've got a product in there.
This is what I mean. I haven't got anything to do with.
Alcantara.
Right, are we ready?
Yeah. We're just doing the windows.
Oh, doing the windows. We need to outro it.
There's enough content to make a video.
Yeah, there's enough content here. We make the content, bro. Do something cool so I can keep the video rolling. Look how clean it looks though. Ryan's even done the tips.
Yeah,
Got the shiny tips now.
we've done the tits.
Yeah, man. Just look at the levels though as well. Again, if you guys wanted to get your car cleaned by Ryan, we literally just had somebody turn up and now Ryan's got another customer. So Ryan is getting booked up fairly quickly. So if you are interested, please go to the description. I'll leave all of his contact details in there and you guys can message him. Tell him as well. Yes, we sent you. So.
Sort out a discount code of 10%.
Oh shit, Mate.
Shit! Oh my god! Is that a sponsor?
ITW.
ITW10.
So, alright, ITW10. So, what's on the screen now? So this is also on the screen. So yeah, message Ryan, tell him we sent you. Use the code as well for 10% off.
So they come to me.
Yeah.
They give me their code.
Yep.
I'll then confirm it with you two. So
Yep.
it's 100%. Because obviously I don't want anyone going, oh, I'll have that code.
Yeah.
Really
Yeah,
well.
you have to show that we're subscribed to the channel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly that.
Yeah. All right.
And they
So-
have to be subscribed, otherwise it's invalid.
Yeah, that's facts. All right. Yeah, because Ryan's supporting us, guys. Please support him. Ryan is actually going to be one of the first people as well to actually sponsor us coming back to the channel. So we're going to be working quite closely with Ryan with our other cars as well. So more content, obviously, we're going to generate. Obviously, we're going to have more vehicles around. And one of the things as well we want to try and do is keep them clean. Obviously, we're going to be going to shows and things like that with our cars, so we want them to keep clean. So as I mentioned, Ryan's going to be looking after us. So guys, look after Ryan.
Oh! What?
What do you mean what? Audi R8 V10 Plus?
Oh, I didn't see it. No.
Right, let me just majestically get out of this car.
Yeah.
Here we go, boys. Here we go. This is how you do it.
Hey, you need to clean it.
Boys, I'm going to end the video here. If you had enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment as well. So like I mentioned, he's our first sponsor of the channel, so it's going to be quite important that he's missed it. So yeah, I need you guys to go and show him some love. I'm going to leave all of his stuff in the description. Go over to his Facebook page, give him a like as well. Oh, yeah. Right, I need to end this video because we're going to go to the next one. Yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please, like I say, give us a like, give us a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. We are trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So yeah, if you guys can subscribe to the channel, I'll see you guys in a bit. We're going to go and have a look around. If you are interested in the caffeine and machine video, I'm going to link it at the top. There's some race brakes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. Matty.
Matty.
This has been Matty. That's a nice jumper, by the way. And that was our POV. Peace out, guys.